Many of the viewers have demanded for the video of same concept like this, but used for loop in this project. Many of them asked to make a separate video on it. You asked, I made. So, please like the video. First, import all the modules that you required in this project. After importing the modules, we will take two variables for our output process so that it will be easier for us to enter the values inside the program. Okay, so here, number value is looking big as a variable, so we can keep it number only. Now, in for loop here, we have to give the range, so inside the range value we will insert the number value. Inside the loop, we will input some PyAutoGUI command, so that the whole process becomes automated with this module. And remember, inside this key.press bracket, I have written enter to ensure that when we press enter from our keyboard, the program gets started. So here we have forgotten to write integer with num value. All done. Our code has been written successfully. It's time to run it. Please like the video. It took me so hard to make the video. Approx I gave 7 hours to make this project and video. Open command prompt and write Python, then your file name in which you have written the code. Now, please don't comment that. Why are you uploading same videos? This is different as I have used for loop in this project.